Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, you can see here on the Kaspa chart that we're still holding above our micro support area that we talked about in the last few videos already a while ago. You know, this correction started as a wave 4, and actually it's quite possible that Kaspa is here working on an Elliott wave triangle. I already highlighted that in the last video. It's sketched out on the chart just sort of as a sideways consolidation triangle pattern here. And yeah, we have here a possibly still unfolding wave 4 correction. I now think that this wave 4 is probably still unfolding. Looking at the yellow structure, it shows you how an Elliott wave triangle would unfold. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, D wave up, E wave down. So these triangles, typically they finish after an E wave has bottomed in this case. Now it's technically possible to call that already a flat structure which completed, like a running flat. But then I would like to see more evidence that we're actually breaking out. For example, a break above the nearest resistance area, which I've highlighted here on the chart. This is not like, okay, like a make or break point or something, but it is a key pivot. If I zoom in, you can see that actually. It's possible that this is a key resistance area that the price might react to, especially if we really are in the D wave of a correction. So not the last wave of the correction, but basically second to last. Well, that would be the D wave rally here. And in this D wave, we should see an ABC structure, and the D wave itself would most likely react to that resistance area. It's between 13.8 cents and 16.5 cents. Okay, so in this area, and then from there, we'd like to see that E wave to the downside of wave 4. And then from there, we would see a rally in a fifth wave to the upside, either from here or after that E wave. Okay, how would that work out? Well, first of all, for a D wave that's healthy, we'd like to see an ABC structure to the upside. Then the E wave would also be an ABC structure, in this case to the downside, forming a higher low. And then from there, yeah, we should start the rally in wave 5 to the upside. It would be wave 5 of C. That takes us to upside targets. So first of all, to really get a first indication that we are in the breakout, we want to see a break above that 16.4 cent level, a sustained break. Let's call it 16.5 cents, a sustained and convincing break. What does that mean? Well, it essentially means the price needs to sustain above it. And that doesn't mean for an hour or so, you know, even if after 4 hours it breaks down, it's not great, right? What it means is we need to see how the structure breaks, or how the resistance breaks, sorry. For example, here, break consolidation is great. And then upside continuation, even better. Okay, that's what we want to see. Or breaking out, okay, failing, but then actually taking out that previous high. That's what I would call a sustained break. It's essentially a bit subjective, but it all depends on how and in which pattern it breaks. At the moment, the D wave, yeah, could form this ABC structure, so I'm watching for a B wave pullback potentially from here. We have additional micro resistance here, the last swing high at around 13.3 cents, and from there we can then move higher. And yeah, so this is sideways consolidation. The main support area is between 10.9 cents and 5.9. The triangle itself would get invalidated with a break below the 1st of May low. So if we see a break below 10 cents, that would invalidate the triangle and would allow for a much deeper pullback, possibly targeting 8.6 or 7 cents, but it would not change the overall bullish thesis that this chart still allows for. And yeah, upside targets, next upside target area starts at 21.4 cents. But ultimately, the next larger degree Fibonacci target, which I'd like to see the price reach, points towards 39 cents. Really not much more to add here at the moment about the Kaspa chart. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.